Ridgid surface thickness portable planer. The surface planer, thickness planer, whatever you want to call it. And a good thing, it has handles on the side. They don't do you any good if it's stuck in the styrofoam. Either that's a little heavy or I'm a little weak. Say again, this machine weighs about 75 pounds, so use a helper. I have no helpers, so toughen up. Step one should have been install a cutting edge handle, because how are you going to raise it up if it's not on there? I don't know. Figure it out here in a minute. Look at us. Wasting time.